Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the mess hall here at Dr. Jet Laboratories. Today, I have breaking news. And you know, when news breaks, we fix it. Anyway, here's the breaking news. This is an Atlas short kit, and the short circuit short kit is very similar to it, and it has a long member right here that barely fits in those flat rate shipping envelopes. Well, guess what? I shipped one out to somebody, and the gorillas at the post office figured out a way to break it. And they snapped off the front end here, and they snapped off the back end there, and I was none too thrilled about it. So I ordered a bunch of boxes, and I'm going to ship the rest of the kits in boxes. Stand by. I have 2 kits ready to go out. I just about packed them up for Daniel, and Daniel, hang on, they're going out in boxes, and so just bear with me while my boxes arrive. They should be here in a couple of days, and shipping will once again resume. I don't know what the shipping cost for these boxes is going to be. I had a flat rate on the envelopes, so we'll just have to see what it is. You know, I was cutting corners on the costs to keep everything down to a bare minimum, and I was essentially at a break-even point on them, and we'll just have to see what shipping is on these boxes. So there you go, boys and girls, a quick little update on the 1/20th scale laser cut plywood short kits. I'm going to send them out in a little bit more secure packaging. The envelopes just didn't get it. So there you go, boys and girls. Until next time, jet out.